Jai Hind, dear students. I welcome you all in my geography class. In our last class, we have discussed the question answers third A and B. In today's class, we will be discussing the remaining questions of the LC. So let's start. C question. The atmosphere make life possible on the earth, but the excessive human activities are deteriorating its quality or natural balance in the atmosphere. Do you think we are doing the right thing? No, we are not doing the right thing. This you have to write. And the second one, what should we do to conserve our environment? To conserve our environment, we should plant large amount of trees. Second one, we should not kill animals. Third one, we should not pollute our rivers by throwing garbage in them. We should not discharge harmful gases in the atmosphere. So all this we have to write. Next question, fourth one. What do you understand by asteroids and meteoroids? So first we will write about asteroids. Asteroids are celestial bodies made up of rocks, and they are found between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. Between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter, these asteroids are found in the asteroid belt, and they revolve around the sun. And what are meteoroids? Meteoroids are small rocky celestial body which revolve around the sun. But sometimes these meteoroids come in contact with the earth gravitational force, and they are being pulled towards the earth, and when they are pulled towards the earth due to the friction in the atmosphere, they got burned. So these are meteoroids. Fifth question. Comets have no light of their own. How are we able to see them? So first we should know that what are comets. Comets are celestial bodies which are made up of ice, gases and dust. They revolve around the sun in a fixed path. When these comets they come near to the sun, due to the solar wind or the sunlight, the ice which is present in the comet, it is melting and it forms a tail, and due to the reflection of the sunlight we are able to see the light. So how we can see the comets? We can see the comets due to the reflection of sunlight. Sixth question, choose the correct option. Full moon night is termed as Purnima. B. Dash is the largest planet. Jupiter is the largest planet. C. Distance of Sun from the Earth is 150 million kilometers. D. Neil Armstrong stepped on the surface of the moon on 21 July 1969. E. The planets which rotate on their axis from east to west are Venus and Uranus. Okay, all other planets they revolve from west to east, but these two planets, they are Venus and Uranus. They revolve from east to west. F. The planets which does not have any satellites. So here answer will be Mercury. In our solar system there are two planets, Mercury and Venus. These two they are not having any satellite, but here the option Venus is not given, so answer will be Mercury. G. Heavenly body with a glowing tail is called comet. Seventh one, draw a diagram of Saptarishi and the North Star. So here you have to draw the diagram which is given on the page number 2 of your book. Eighth one, complete this diagram and label it. So here you have to draw the orbit and all the planets and you have to mark them. Okay, so you will be drawing like this, all you will be drawing and marking the planets. Next one, concept map. So here astronomers study celestial body, then stars, example sun and pole star. Group of stars form pattern called constellation. So here we will write constellation. After that, elliptical part in which planet revolve around the sun is called orbit. Clusters of millions of stars form galaxy. And here you will write star, satellites, asteroids, and here you will write meteoroids. Meteoroids are small pieces of rocks. And below asteroids you write pieces of broken planet found between Mars and Jupiter. And here after that you have to write about the numbers of moon: Mercury, Venus, third you will write Earth, then one moon is there, then next is Mars. Mars is having two moons. Then you will write Jupiter. Jupiter is having 79 moons. Saturn is having 82 moons and Uranus 27 moons are there. So, and the last which is left is the Neptune. 14 moons are there. So all this you will be writing. So dear students, with this we have completed our LC. Do write all these answers in your copy. Till then, take care. Thank you and Jai Hind.